Hello, it's Teacher Fred again. It's no longer Uncle Freddy, okay? It's Teacher Fred. Remember, it's Teacher Fred. Teacher Fred is here. Look at me, guys. So, we have our HOM worksheet here. But before I bring you and show you our HOM worksheet, EQ worksheet, sorry, okay? EQ worksheet. Before I bring you to our EQ worksheet, I will just show you something about this one. This is actually your quiz in science, and I'm going to show you a pattern. Okay, so in our pattern we have star, rectangle, star, rectangle, star, and then the question is, what do you think is the next shape here? The question is, what is the next shape here? Right? And for me to be able to see it, I will need to look at the pattern. Star, rectangle, star, rectangle. So I noticed that after star, it will be rectangle. And then after rectangle, it will be star. And then after star, gonna be rectangle again. So it's just keep on repeating. So there's the pattern, right? So after star here, what comes after star? Oh, so now I know. Now I know. The answer here is rectangle. Let me check if it's correct. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Yes, I'm correct. Yes, the right answer here is rectangle. But how did I know? I look at the pattern. Okay? How did I know that the answer here is rectangle? I look at the pattern. Okay? All right? But where did I look? Where was the pattern? It is from the past. When we say past, it's from before. Okay, I will look at before. What are the patterns before? This blank here. What are the things happening before? So I check before it so that I will know the pattern. And they are repeating again and again. And then I notice that it will happen the same again because it's been happening before. So like that, star, rectangle, star, rectangle, star, and then it should be rectangle. So I look at the past. So why do I need to look at the past? Why do I need to look at the pattern in the past? So that I will know what comes next. So that I can predict the future. So that I can know what is going to happen next. Okay? I gave you the answer because in your worksheet, I am going to ask you, why do you need to look on the past? To what? To predict what is going to happen next. When we say predict, it means to be able to tell what is going to happen next, to be able to tell the future. That is the reason why we're looking at what has happened in the past. Like this one, what happened in the past? So star, rectangle, star, rectangle, star. So I knew that the next here is rectangle because I look at the pattern from the past. Same here. What's the pattern here? Let me just go back here from the past. Moon, circle, circle, moon, circle. There are two circles. So, in here, in the past, there are two circles. So, I have one circle here. So, I just need to put one more circle here. And that is the correct answer. Most of you didn't get that because you did not look at the past. Okay? Alright, so let me bring you now to our real deal. This is the real deal, which is your essential question in science, okay? So here, you're going to draw the location of the sun or sun pattern during these given times. So where is the sun? In the morning, sunrise, where is the sun? Noon, evening, where is the sun? During morning, during midday, and during evening. I told you that already, the pattern of east, right? Now, after you do that, you will answer this. How did you know the location of the sun at noontime? How did you know the location of the sun at noontime? What did you use? Answer that. Did you use the past location of the sun, morning, to predict its location? Did you use the past location? Did you check the past location? When we say location, the place of the sun, which is the morning, to predict its next location? When we say location, it's the place, okay? Did you use the past place of the sun, which is morning, to predict, to tell the next location of the sun? Yes or no? You will write your answer here, okay? So my answer here, the big question actually here is why do we have to look at the first pattern? Why do we need to look at the first pattern from the answer that I gave in the earlier part of this video? What did I say? Why do we have to look at the first pattern or the past pattern so that we can we need to look at the first pattern so that we can you write your answer here. Okay? Now, this is the third part of your essential question. Situation. You are a school owner. You own a school. You ask some construction workers. When we say construction workers, these are workers who are building the school, to build your school. These workers started building your school, but they seemed so tired working at noontime. When we say noontime, in the middle of the day, because the sun is too hot. How can you help your workers to build your school without being so tired? You have to think of a solution to help your workers. Please express your opinion. How will you help the workers? Because your workers are working at noontime in the middle of the day. So what do you need to tell them? Because it's so hot in the middle of the day, right? So you want to help them. What will you tell them? I think I should let them work at this time. And you're going to reason out why. It is better for them to work at this time because. Reason 2. It is better for them to work at this time because. It is better for them to work on this time because. Your reason, okay? So your opinion. I think I should tell them to work this hour. You tell them. Is it what? What time? Okay? Is it in the morning, noontime, or in the evening? You tell them, and you're going to give your reason. Why? And why, and why. Why is it in the morning? Or if you think your reason here is in the evening, why is it in the evening? You reason it, okay? Are we clear with that? And of course, you're going to tell me if this is very easy, medium, hard, very hard, so that I will know. Are we clear with this? Now guys, I am expecting that you have already watched my video before you attend our Zoom. Alright, so this is again your essential question in science. I will see you in our Zoom session. Have a great day. Bye-bye.